Hey guys, it's Brian from XS Motorworks and welcome back to my shop. So hey, we're going to start another project right now, and that project name is... Hey, and I'd also like to thank our today's sponsors, which ain't this, says, hell, nobody's sponsoring us! We only got 400 subscribers, so I can't get anybody to damn sponsor us. And also would like to point out the elephant in the room. Dead Bob, if you watch my channel, you'll notice that Dead Bob is not here. He is actually on a sabbatical of sorts, so Alright, so Dead Bob will be returning as soon as he comes back from Oshkosh from the airplane show, but until then, we are actually going to go ahead and start this project. So this is Tim, a good friend of mine and also co-worker, and Tim, don't you talk about your daily driver?
Sure. It is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited that today we are putting on the Poison Spyder Crusher flares, narrow in the front, standard width in the back. I also have the rock sliders from Poison Spyder for this as well. If we have time, we'll do them today. If not, it'll be in a future video.
Alright, so let's get cracking. It's cool out, 7:30 in the morning in Georgia, and we're going to be done probably by noon, so we got a lot of work to do. We're in the step one. We got the car in the garage. That is a important milestone for us here. Sometimes we can't even get that far. But, so we got to get these fenders off. And I told Tim, I think the right tool for the job is this.
Not today.
He didn't agree. So, we're going to use the smaller blade. That'll get it off. Step one is complete. As you saw in the video, trying to get the fender off, you basically just pull it and it will release. It does relieve behind some of these little plastic tabs that are still in the fender. To get those tabs out, the easiest thing, just take some pliers, squeeze them, and they pop right out. One thing, there is a factory problem with this car though. So what we noticed right about here is that the paint is actually rubbed off on both sides. So Tim actually had some touch-up paint, so he went ahead and touched it up prior to us actually going and putting the new fenders on. So alright Tim, so time to get the damn new fenders on here. We ain't got all day, we had a still to run later. So.
Yep.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it.
So Tim has successfully installed the front fenders on his daily driver here. It looks really good. The next logical step in this process is surely to install twin turbos. I guess that means no. Yet again, my hopes and dreams have been dashed by someone else. He won't let me put twin turbos on his car today. Oh well, I tried. Anyway, so what we need to do is get the rear fenders on. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and turn the car around and get those bolted up. That way you can actually drive this thing home tonight. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got the back of the car set up. I know I said we're going to turn around, but well, we didn't do it, turn it around. What the hell do I know? Anyway, Tim, I'll let you talk about it.
So now we're going to rip off the rear fenders in preparation for our... There you go.
Here's your rear fender, Tim.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't know. I'm done.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget.
project. Tune in next time when you see me do more of this and Tim do more of this. Tim, why don't you tell us what we're gonna do next?
Next for this Jeep will be the rock sliders.
Rock sliders.
Rock sliders.
And turbos.
No turbos.
Yeah, turbos.
No turbos. But we really need to get back to project split decision here.
Yeah, that's got a supercharger.
That does have a supercharger.
All right, get this thing out of here.
All right.